Gonna show you my new pill box. It's a pill box, comes in this box here, also comes in different colors. Here we have the cream, here's the green one. And it's super convenient because it has this magnetic kind of closure here that is really cool. And then you have different compartments in different sizes where you can store your pills or your vitamins. Here I can show you an example how I stored my vitamins. Different types of vitamins in these different compartments here, and then you can easily open it and take the vitamins that you want. I'm gonna use one for the night vitamins, or the ones I need to take in the evening, and I have it by my nightstand. And then the other one just pop in my handbag for my daily vitamin doses, so to speak. Absolutely love these. It closes very easily, it's compact, it doesn't take much space, and I absolutely love them.